Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. Once again, this is Boy Protas. Breakfast time. My coach, more cooked foods better than more fresh foods. And also, it's better to eat more hot food than more cold foods. That's my coach and observation. But ignore my pod. It's up to you what is your pods. And also, any problems, there is a solution. Don't put in heart and mind the problem because it will destroy our God plan in life or our everyday life and future. Always say there is a solution, a problem. You can find a solution. You can solve a problem. That's my thoughts and observation. Okay, let's it. No press. 100% cook my food. Shoutout sa isang nanonood. Good morning. Kain tayo. Wow, ang sarap talaga umigop ng mainit. Uh. Mm. Kain tayo. Wow. Ah. Lalo na kung sabaw ng bulalo. Ay, ang sarap. Maraming gulay itong kanin to. Mm. Mm. Carrots, beans, corn, corn. Morning. Kain tayo. Wow. Napakainit pa. Ah. Ah. Sarap niyong gulay niya. Beans, carrot, mais, corn. Corn. Ayan, nakakain na ako. Solve the problem. Ayan. Busog na. Busog lang ha. Magkaiba kasi yung kwan. Yung busog at saka busog na busog, magkaiba yun. Magkaiba. Busog. Busog ako. Ang sarap talaga. Umigop ng mainit. Mapasabaw o tea o kaya any kind of drinks. Basta coffee or milk, masarap talaga pag mainit pa. Lalo na kung sabaw ng bulalo o pinapaitan. Pero sa pinapaitan, mayroon na kong experience yan sa bulalo. Bulalo at saka pinapaitan, mahirap lumamig yan. Yung sabaw sabaw. Mahirap lumamig. Kaya dahan-dahan sa paghigop ng sabaw ng pinapaitan o kaya sabaw ng bulalo. Kahit anong pinapaitan na baka, pinapaitan kambing o karniro. Basta mahirap lumamig yan. Yung sabaw mahirap lumamig. Akala mo malamig na siya, baka hihigop ka bigla. Mapapaso ang dila. Mapapaso. Mahirap lumamig yon yung sabaw ng pinapaitan o kaya excuse me, nagpasalamat na aking katawan. Excuse for those who eating right now. Basta sabaw na yung matataba mahirap lumamig kasi yung sabaw ay yung taba kasi nangingibabaw. Nasa ibabaw. Yung sabaw niya nasa ilalim, mahirap lumamig yun. Kaya dahan-dahan sa paghigop ng pinapaitan o kaya kahit basta matabang kwan, sabaw. Kasi yung taba kasi nasa ibabaw. Yung sabaw nasa ilalim, hindi pa malamig yon. Basta mahirap lumamig yan. Yung matatabang may sabaw. Kaya dahan-dahan sa paghigop. Kasi mapapaso ang dila. Ayan. Basta yan lang ang aking na-experience. Yung sabaw ng pinapaitan, basta matataba. Kahit yung bulalo. O kaya basta yung matatabang sabaw, mahirap lumamig yan. Yung nasa ibabaw kasi taba. Yun, parang natatakpan niya yung sabaw sa ilalim. Yung nasa ibabaw, magiging kwan siya, mamuo siya. Hindi basta-basta lumamig yun. Kaya dahan-dahan sa paghigop ng pinapaitan, bulalo o kaya yung lagang baboy. Mataba yun mataba. Mahirap lumamig yan. Napapaso ang dila. Yan aking experience. Obserbasyon, saka experience. Hindi gaya itong kape, tea o kaya gatas. Kung malamig na sa ibabaw, lahat na yan malamig. Yung kasi mataba. Yung pinapaitan bulalo o kaya lagang baboy. Mataba sa ibabaw, yung sabaw niya sa ilalim, mahirap lumamig. Yan ating experience. Shoutout muna kay Nep Mr. Mark Branghero from Sitio Pugo, San Pascual, Burgos, Pangasinan, Philippines. Ayan. Good morning, Nep. Shoutout sa iyo at saka buong pamilya dyan. Shoutout dyan sa Pugo. Ayan. Mayroon pang konti. Ay, ubos na. Wala na pala. Solve the problem. Basta my coach, more cookpods, better than more response. And also, it's better to eat more hot pot than more cold pods. That's my coach and observation. But ignore my pod. It's up to you what is your pods. And also, any problems, there is a solution. Don't put in heart and mind a problem because it will destroy our good plan in life or our everyday life and future. Always say there is a solution, a problem. You can find a solution. You can solve a problem. That's my thoughts and observation. Okay. Net, thank you for watching. Okay, bye. Hanggang dito na lamang. Please like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.